Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. In this video, I am going to explain how we have to use the datas using fixture feature in a Cypress. Here you can see the contact us page. Here previously we have evaluated this form with the normal Cypress assertions and conditions to update the data, but while we are working in a project we can't give the data manually for every form, so we are going to use one shortcut. We are storing the data in a JSON format and we are going to access the data from one place, and wherever we want we can use those contents in a JSON format. So here, instead of giving statically each time, we are going to use one content in multiple places. Let's implement this in a Cypress. So first of all, I'm going to create a new file called fixtures.cy.js. So previously we have written a code for contact us form. So I'm going to copy the same exact code and I'm going to paste here. Here I'm going to remove the unwanted codes. So first here, and also I'm going to enable this submit button. And first of all, I'm going to get the fixture and data from here. So we have to open the fixture folder, and here we have the file called example dot then. And here I'm going to provide one arrow function, and we are going to get the data from here and copy all the codes inside this fixture. So here the visiting link should be given outside itself to the fixture. So next, with this data I'm going to provide data dot name. First name, copy this. The same way here I'm going to provide last name, last name, copy here again, change to email and feedback. Instead of this, I'm going to provide feed. So let's create our data here. So here we have first name, copy the first name and provide first name. So I'm going to provide John. And here copy the second value and add here string, comma, Walker. Finally, email and feed. Here we have email. Next, I'm going to provide feed. So I'm going to change this email to capital letter. Here also I'm going to change to capital letter. Let's start the Cypress. Let's start the Cypress npx Cypress open. Now you can see all the spec files. I'm going to close this as usual and I'm going to scroll down. Here you can see the fixture spec file. Click this file. All the test cases will be triggered one by one. So that so the error is throwing because here it is outside this fixture. Now the test has been triggered and the value has been updated one by one and the submit button has been triggered. The form has been succeed in filling the data. Now I'm going to provide the value, which is this is how the value will be used in multiple places with one JSON format. We can use this fixture method in multiple places so we can reduce the repetitive work. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.